All right. So this is our last session this week in the morning. Essa also na última sessão essa semana de manhã, this week, okay? See you next on Sunday, if you want to do the weekly plan together. A gente se vê no domingo, se você quer fazer o planejamento semanal juntos. It's not mandatory, okay? Dear employees, queridos funcionários, non è obbligatorio, you know? Come Fantozzi vuole mangiare la peperonata, and not mandatory, non è obbligatorio, no, it's not obligatory.
It's 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Yes, it's going to be 9 a.m. Brazilian time. Okay, but the 9 di manhã d'ora do Brasil. Okay, it's going to be 3 hours. Not mandatory for it to be 3 hours. Non sempre ficar lá acampando 3 horas se você não quer. Okay, and then we have 2 hours break. Depois, Geraldo, temos 2 horas de pausa para churrasquinho. It's Sunday, domingo. And then, you know, we have another 3 hours, you know, so it's going to be 6 hours in total. Ok? Not mandatory, non è obbligato. Se pode vir só de manhã, de tarde não. Se pode vir de tarde, de manhã. No, you can come in the morning, in the afternoon you don't come, or you come in the afternoon and you don't come in. It's not mandatory, okay, guys?
Okay.
That's for you. If you know, everybody, you all have your lives. Todo mundo aqui tem sua vida. So Shantana cannot come in the morning. She's going to come in the afternoon. Good. Heraldo cannot come in the afternoon. He's going to come in the morning. Heraldo não pode vir de tarde, vai vir de manhã. Eric não pode de manhã, vai vir de tarde. Né? Be aware, I'm having technical issues. Melissa, it's writing. All good, don't worry. Give me a second. All good. Don't worry. Okay, everybody. So this is our last session this morning. See you back on Sunday. And if you don't come on Sunday, otherwise classes and not, we see you back on Monday morning. Se você não pode vir no domingo, ou você não quer, não é obrigatório. A gente se vê, se não nas aulas, a gente se vê na segunda de manhã de novo. All right, everybody? Don't forget to send your weekly plan with your best rate. Tenta não esquecer o seu trade best rate for the week, teu trade melhor para a semana. E não esqueça de mandar o weekly plan, all right? That being said, everybody share screen. I'm going to share my screen, and as always, number one, we're checking the news. Número 1, a gente vê as notícias. So it's Thursday, hoje é quinta. We had the Switzerland franc news. Tivemos notícia do CHF. It was negative, foi negativo. Then this is not relevant because it's on tomorrow. It's the non-farm payroll. Isso não é relevante porque amanhã tem non-farm payroll. This one too not relevant, you know, because of tomorrow. Não é relevante por causa da manhã. This one too, I believe, is not going to. The market's waiting most of the time. It's waiting for tomorrow. O mercado acho que não vai fazer muita coisa porque está esperando para amanhã. Okay, and let's see the currencies trend. What's happening this morning? The dollar is the most strong. O dólar está o mais forte. GBP is the second most strong. O GBP está forte. And euro it's sideways. Euro e franco suíço estão do lado. CHF it's sideways, you know. The weakest was NZD. O NZD estava o mais fraco. And JPY it's also up and down, you know. O yen está subindo, descendo, né? Está saracoteando. And that being said, everybody, let's go here. And we're going to work with the daily chart first, okay? So today it's Thursday. Tomorrow, you know, like an office, you can do whatever you want, everybody. But tomorrow, if there is nothing special, we generally don't enter trades. Na sexta, se não tiver alguma coisa especial, a gente não entra. Mas vocês podem fazer aquilo que a estratégia de vocês manda, ok? There is no right or wrong anyway, não tem certo ou errado. So this is AUD CAD, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So for 4 days, do we all agree that AUD CAD was moving up? A gente concorda que por 4 dias a AUD Canadá se foi para cima?
Yes.
Did anybody take any action again? Fiz algum trade no AUD CAD? Yes or no? Maybe?
No.
No, okay, all right. Any questions about AUD CAD for next week? Alguma dúvida sobre a AUD Canadá para a semana que vem? No questions, all good, tranquilo.
No.
All right, moving forward, AUD CHF. Today it's Thursday. So it's AUD-CHF also Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4G as fui subindo, todo mundo concorda?
Sì.
All right. Did anybody take any trades? Alguém negociou AUD CHF?
No.
No. All right. Give me a second. Somebody's trying to enter. Melissa is here. All right. Okay. Any questions about next week on AUD-CHF? Alguma dúvida sobre AUD CHF para a semana que vem? No questions, okay. AUD-JPY, this is the daily chart, everybody. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, now it's Thursday, right? So far, the first 3 days, it was rallying, now it's here. So it's still moving up, right, everybody? Did anybody take an advantage on AUD-JPY? Alguém negociou AUD-JPY?
I was one loser for me.
Mm-hmm. Did you buy? Did you sell?
Sell.
All right. What time frame?
1 hour.
1 hour chart. Do you know what did you lose, everybody? Sabe por qué se perdeu?
Speculation, so not,
okay, all good.
not confirmation.
Exactly. I mean, we all make mistakes. Just try to learn, right? Todo mundo
Yeah.
que erra só
If you
tenta.
look at the daily candles, you don't see any bearish candle.
Exactly. So try to not repeat those mistakes, all right, everybody? Tenta non fazer erros, ok? Tranquilo? Any questions about AUD-JPY for next week? Alguma dúvida sobre AUD-JPY para a semana que vem?
No.
No questions, all right, all good. AUD-NZD, so 1, 2, 3, 4, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Do we agree that the market still today, 4 days is going up and up and up and up? Todo mundo concorda que está subindo, 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 subindo?
Yes.
Did anybody take advantage? Did anybody trade AUD-NZD? Alguém
Yes,
negociou?
I am in profit.
Matthias in profit. And share the screen and take us through. Condividi speaking Italian, condividi lo schermo, cazzo, mostra, share your screen, compartiglia. Give it a second. Show as your trading time frame setup so the other can learn. Mostra para nós o gráfico que entrou dentro, que outros podem também entrar.
So the logic of entry is retracement, and I enter after trend line break, and stop loss here. It doesn't have any levels. I'm trying some different methods. This is why I put stop loss in the middle of this range.
All good?
And 1/2 risk reward ratio. And why did I enter is basically what I see from the weekly time frame. The price is moving up and down and up and down in this range zone.
Ele está vindo, Renato, Henrique, just translating quickly, está vindo essa linhas, né, que está indo de uma banda para outra no AUD-NZD.
So in here we were making higher highs, higher lows. And on the daily, first I was looking to short here because this retracement down, but we have strong impulse movement outside of this channel, and I was saying, okay, we will go up, and I enter on 1 hour in this retracement.
Lost
That
Mattia.
is necessarily.
Lost Mattia. Good job, Mattia. We're proud of you. Okay. Everybody, pen and paper. Papel caneta. So if you want, right, if you want from the office, get better at trade management. Okay, not mandatory. If you want, se você quiser, tem que melhorar o gerenciamento do trade. Ok? Trade management, everybody. Okay, so what am I talking about? We we get better at skill, right, everybody? A gente fica melhor nos habilidades, ok? So, me, Mattia, me, Raldo, me, Mario, me, Melissa, me, Ricky, I'm getting better at spotting direction. I'm getting better at skill, like spotting direction. Tô melhorando na direção. I'm getting better. Good morning, boss. Beautiful, Melissa. The boss is here. Melissa's the boss. So I'm getting better at timing. Tô ficando is a skill. Tô ficando melhor no timing como habilidade. I'm getting better not to speculate. Tô ficando melhor no jeito de não vou mais especular. I'm getting better in probabilities. Estou ficando melhor com habilidade de entendimento das probabilidades. Now, the fifth element, everybody, it's I need to get better in trade management. Tem que melhorar no gerenciamento do trade. Can you see, everybody, that the market almost hit Mattia's take profit? Can you see, everybody? O mercado quase atingiu o alvo do Mattia.
Certo.
Make sense? So, this is where I'm telling you as an office, get better. I don't know how. Okay? Eu não sei como. It really doesn't also matter how. But try not to... One trade means nothing. Okay? Trade vale nada. We're clear on this. But it's a concept that, you know, the market, it's also... You're going to learn about this in the course. We're talking about, okay, you're making money, but you finish... so you make 3% in a week, but every week you finish like 0.5%. It's a slide from the course. A gente também aprende nesse curso que tem slide que fala, você tá aí durante a semana, você tá fazendo 3%, mas na sexta-feira você fecha 0.5%. Isso é semana, por semana, por semana, por semana. This is week after week after week after week. Okay? Example. This is trade management issue. Isso é coisa de trade management. Okay? Get better. This from the office. Okay? How? I don't know. You know, what indicator? I don't know. You know, whatever. But don't try not to give too much back to the market. Okay? Because sometimes,
So,
you know, just let me finish. Because sometimes, you know, the market is going to almost hit my take profit, and there is going to be a news announcement example, but I'm not aware about the news announcement example because I'm busy, I'm tired, whatever. So I was up $1,000, and now the market it's going down against me. I'm profitable for $100 from the 1,000, but there is news announcement, and basically I'm going to lose all the profit. Just quickly, Mattia, então eu vou fazer esse lucro, vou fazer essa jogada, vou ficar ganhando $1.000 e depois, porque estou cansado ou não tenho consciência de uma notícia, Heraldo, o mercado do 1.000 vai para 400 e depois vai ter uma notícia que eu vou esquecer da notícia e o mercado vai comer todo o meu lucro. Ok? So get better, everybody, trade management. Tenta ficar melhor com o gerenciamento do trades, ok? It's not a rule, it's a concept. Não é uma regra, é um conceito. Yes, Mattia?
So if we manage, if I remember correctly, we also need to re-enter the market again if the signal appears. It's not just replacing stop loss and okay, you get out and that's it. You need to also re-enter again. This is
great question from Mattia. So there is a concept that you cannot risk more than you make. So if this is the case, then the answer is yes. Existe conceito que fala no gerenciamento do trade que você não deve arriscar mais que se ganha. Então, se você sai cedo, você tem que reentrar para ganhar todo aquele lucro. Você não pode sair do trade e esquecer. Ok?
Pode repetir? Não entendi. Sim.
Rather asking, can you repeat because I don't understand? O Mattia está perguntando se tem essa regra que quando eu saio do trade, se eu tenho que reentrar.
Ok.
E eu falei que se você está... Então, tá vendo o Heraldo, o verde e o roxo, né?
Sim, você falou
Então,
que ele deveria ter gerenciado, né?
Então, se o Mattia sai, graficamente, se o Mattia sai pegando pequenos lucros, o roxo, o stop loss ainda está assim, ele por gerenciar vai ser com lucro pequeno, ele tem que reentrar.
Tá.
Você tem que reentrar, isso é uma regra. You must re-enter in this case, it's a rule. Because if you take small profit on the next trade and it goes against you, you're going to lose all the profits from the past trades. Porque se você vai pegando lucros pequenos e vai no próximo trade, e o próximo trade vai ser perdedor. Esse perdedor vai ter que comer os 3 ganhadores de antes.
Can you clarify? You said you can't risk more than you made. Could you clarify that, or was that I didn't quite catch that?
Sure. Give me a second. Melissa sta facendo esclarecimento. Can you see it, everybody? Am I sharing?
Yes,
Sto
sir.
compartilhando?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so what is the buy, short, long position? That's the plan, right? Esse é o plano. That's the plan, and whatever, you know. So this is here, it's a counter trend line break, just an example. And give me a second. Counter trend line break, and I'm entering here, right? That's the plan. Okay, everybody? And so the market does whatever it wants to do, but it's go up and up and up, and then it reverses, and you get out here. Just an example. E você sai aqui. So you get out here because it's crowned. Example. Você sai aqui porque ele fez o crown, né? So you profited. You made a small profit, right? Você fez lucro pequeno. Can you see, everybody? This was the plan, but you managed the trade correctly, so you got a small profit. Okay? Now, if you forget about this trade and you go into another trade, give me a second, clone. Se você esquece desse trade, você vai para o outro trade, and so the market goes here, you know, you enter correctly, and you enter here. So you go to the next trade, and this trade is going to go down, down, down. It's going to stop you out. So you are going to lose all the profit. Whoops. You're going to lose all the profits from the past 3 trades. Você vai perder todos os lucros dos últimos 3 trades que você fez. If you are managing like this, right? If you're taking small profits, and then one loser comes along, this loser is going to eat all the small profits from the previous trades. Make sense? So this is why, until the pattern is still there, you must re-enter. Por isso que tem essa regra que até o padrão está ainda lá, você tem que reentrar. You must make more than you make. So you're going to be in and out, in and out, in and out 3 or 4 times to profit more than you're making because the pattern is still there. Você vai entrar e sair, pegar 3 lucros pequenos. You're going to have 3 to 4 small profits to have a total profit more than you're risking. Does this make sense? Você vai entrar e sair, vai fazer 3 lucros pequenos que vão juntando, vão ser mais que esse risco que você está arriscando. Ok? Any questions? Alguma dúvida aqui, ó?
No.
Okay. That's a rule. Isso é uma regra. You cannot win at this game if you are going to risk more than you make. Você não consegue fazer dinheiro se você vai arriscando mais que ganhando. Ok? It doesn't work. Proven. Não funciona. Comprovado.
Wait, this is where I'm confused. When you say risk more than you make, that's the statement that's confusing me. Risk more than you make. You cannot
risk more than you make. You cannot risk 1% if you're only making 0.5% on your trades.
So if I only pull out 0.5%, I got to reduce the 1% trade to 0.5%.
No,
or am I muddling all this up?
If you are make vice versa. If you are risking 1%, you should make more than 1%. Example.
So I just have to finish the trade, is what you're saying, which is what I understood in the diagram.
You must, so talking about realized loss or realized profit, you must make more money than you lose. It's that simple.
Sure.
That's it. Mario, yes? Dimmi, carissimo.
Well, it's just a question. This thing of not risking more than you win is still valid in institutional trades, what we are doing right now?
Absolutely, yes. Absolutamente
Okay.
sim. Exactly.
So if I have a trade in which the take profit and the loss it's not aligned to those concepts, I cannot take this trade.
You can, but you need to build a position. Você tem que construir uma posição. O Mário está pedindo
Yes, for example,
que eu vou entrar com
for example,
5.
okay, if we are talking about, for example, Euro and ZD, can I
Sure.
show the chart?
Sure, absolutely. Condividi lo schermo.
I'm doing.
No, I'm just practicing my Italian. Yesterday night I was talking Spanish, English, Portuguese, Italian. Ontem estava falando inglês, português, espanhol, cara. My brain was like...
Well, I will tell you a secret, guys. Is also learning bad, how to say, cattive parole napoletane.
Bad words.
How to say, Mica?
Bad words.
Bad words in Napolitan.
This is the first killer.
Exactly, Mattia, the first.
È una mortacci tua, Mattia. È una mortacci.
Cazzo.
I'm bad mouth in Melissa in Italian. I'm sorry, I said words. From the
We
movies.
have a lot.
From the movies.
We also have a lot of Italian.
From the movies, you know. Raldo, dos filmes italianos. Falei, acabei de falar uma besteira. Okay, Mario?
Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. This is a Euro NCD 4-hour chart. And as Mika told, to try to make money on the Euro pairs, so I entered this trade 4-hour chart with this candlestick formation long here, this counter trend line break here, and this crown on this very short-term trend here. The stop loss is here, and the take profit is here, because this is how to say, support, resistance, past support. You know, this is the pattern. So in this case, I have a bad list. Anyway, it's not 1-to-1. Are you there?
Sure.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, we're here.
Everybody.
You say you say.
Sure. It's all good. Great example. If again, one trade means nothing. This is the most important thing for you to understand. Um trade vale nada. Isso é o mais importante que você tem que entender. So if I'm trading 1-to-1, everybody, and think with me, pensa comigo. If I'm trading 1-for-1 and I am on my FX book, I'm winning 60%. Se eu estou negociando 1-para-1 e no my FX book estou ganhando 60%, am I going to make money?
Can you repeat? 1-per-1
and I'm winning
Yes.
60% of trades. I'm going to make some money?
Yes.
Yes. Am I going to make a lot of money?
Probably not.
Not probably. This is math. It's a mathematica. No big money for me at all. I'm going to make some money, but not a lot of money. For enough, this is math. Make sense? Because it's 1-for-1. Winner, loser, loser, winner, 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 loser, loser, winner, loser. You know, it's 1-for-1. But I'm winning 60% just, right? Now, if I win the same rate, okay, listen to me. If I win the same rate, but I'm risk-reward ratio, it's 1-per-2. Eu tô ganhando a mesma coisa, estou ganhando 60%, mas quando ganho 2 vezes o risco. When I win 2 times more than risk. And I'm going to make some money?
Twice
A
as
lot.
much.
I'm going to make more money. But so and if I trade 1-for-1 and if I'm 50% effective, what am I doing? Se sto negoziando 1-para-1 e se sto 50% successivo, o che sto facendo? I'm trading
Break. For nothing.
for nothing. So if I do 1-for-1, 1 trade, not a big deal. Do 3 trades, not a big deal. 1-for-1, make sense, everybody? Passo un trade, 2 trade, 5 trade, 1-para-1, tanto faz. Now, if I make 100 trades 1-for-1, then I need to be, okay, how much am I skilled? Am I skilled 60%, 70%, 80% on the winning rate? Como que estou habilitado? A minha habilidade de acerto é 60%, 70%, 80%. Make sense, everybody? That's why we are motivating you. Try to, unless you're a scalper. Scalper, it's a methodology, it's 1-for-1 and period, end of story. Scalper è metodologia 1-para-1, non tem conversa lá. But otherwise, we are motivating you to understand that, you know, try to make as much as you can more than compared to what you risk. Por isso estamos motivando vocês para entender que ganha mais grana possível com aquilo que você risca. With the premise that you understand that padrons have rules, com a premissa que você entende que padrões têm regras. If you trade the Fibonacci, it's the extension, period, end of story. Se você está negociando Fibonacci, é a extensão do Fibonacci e acabou a conversa. Make sense, everybody? So you have math on risk-reward ratio, and then you have patterns that you need to obey. Você tem a matemática sobre risco-retorno e você tem padrões que você tem que obedecer. Ok, Mario?
Mika, usually I don't take this trade usually because of bad risk reward.
I don't care. I don't care.
I put this question because of virtual office.
Mm-hmm.
This is the question. This is the meaning of the question.
Sure, but did I answer to you? Is it clear?
It's clear 100% that outside the virtual office I cannot take this trade because it's 1-to-1.
1-to-1 is not bad, everybody. 1-to-1 is not bad, makes sense? 1-para-1 não é ruim.
Yes.
Para mim, tá. Eu levanto a cadeira e aí a minha cadeira é muito baixa. Tem que ser mais baixa.
Eric is talking. Okay,
There is a
Sorry.
Don't watch. How can I mute Enrique? Okay, very good.
okay.
Mario,
But in the office, when the big boss arrives and says, "Guys, I want you to make money on euro pairs because they are long this week." What
And
about that?
and how is it going for you?
And
How it is going for you?
it's going good, but my question is
That's what it is.
okay, so in virtual office don't care about risk reward. This is the answer.
Amen on that. Amen on that.
but they do care about the money. They do care about the money. And Mario, just so you know, sometimes I'm risking more than I'm going to make on a couple of my trades.
Yes, of course, understood. But we have the strategy, we have everything we have to follow. No, it's to create the edge. Okay, and I know this. I tell you, Melissa. Usually, I don't take this trade. I don't take. But my question was about virtual office. What we are doing right now.
I don't care. Correct. Eu não ligo. O Mário tá pedindo, o Mário falou, just to translate, Geraldo, o Mário falou que ele tá ganhando com um trade que na estratégia dele nunca iria fazer, mas fiz esse trade por causa do Virtual Office. Falei, como que tá indo? Tá indo bem, it's going good. I'm making money, so... everybody? Correct. We don't care how you trade, what you trade, you know, because the results are going to speak for itself, right? O resultado vai falar para ele mesmo. Okay? Make sense, everybody?
Okay, thank you.
And moving forward, indo em frente, moving forward. So we're talking about, all right, AUD NZD, we're talking about Mattia is in profit. Excellent. Then we start the conversation about trade management. Mattia está com lucro, depois a gente continuou falando. Am I sharing screen?
Yes.
Ok, then we talked about the trade managing trades. Depois a gente falou sobre gerenciamento do trade. AUD USD daily chart. AUD USD daily chart. It's consolidation, maybe downside a little bit. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, segunda, terça, quarta, quinta, it's slowly going down. Okay. Did anybody take any chances, any trade on AUD USD? Alguém negociou AUD USD?
No.
No, ok. Any questions about what to do next week? Alguma dúvida sobre esse par para a semana que vem? All good? Tranquilo aqui, ó? Tomorrow it's non-farm payroll, so most likely non-farm payroll is going to clarify, what is going to happen. Possivelmente non-farm payroll amanhã vai nos mostrar o que o mercado quer fazer. Canada CHF daily chart. Tomorrow we have news announcement on the CAT. Amanhã tem notícia do Canadá, consolidation, right? Not doing much. Did anybody trade Canada CHF? Alguém negociou Canada CHF?
No.
No. Melissa, Mario, Heraldo? Any questions about Canada CHF for next week? Alguma dúvida sobre Canada CHF para a semana que vem?
Não.
No, all good. Canada JPY, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, it went up. Wednesday, it fell down a little bit. Now it's here. We have Canada news tomorrow. Temos notícia do Canadá. Did anybody trade Canada JPY? Alguém negociou Canada JPY?
Eu
Não.
entrei agora.
Geraldo said, I entered as we speak. Share your screen. Take us through your trade. Compartilha o ecrã. Nos explica o que está fazendo. We can see 4-hour chart, gráfico de 4 horas, yes?
Canadá JPY, né?
Yes.
Ok. Por exemplo, eu entrei com 1/3 só da posição.
Comprado ou vendendo? Só para
Vendendo.
He's shorting, Geraldo is short.
Uhum.
He's risking 1/3 of the position, 1/3 da posição.
Ele fez o crown aqui, só falta a quebra dessa linha de contra, né? Para confirmar o crown.
Ok, he made a crown.
Mas eu já entrei aqui por aqui, porque os negociadores japoneses estão nos Estados Unidos. Acho bem provável que eles consigam uma redução de tarifas automotivas. E isso, na minha visão, pode valorizar o ien.
So Geraldo is talking about that yen could get stronger because they are in meetings to talking about tariffs on automotive industry. Okay. Mattia, what can you learn to say to Geraldo? Mattia, o que você vai falar para o Geraldo?
What is your confirmation?
Você tem alguma confirmação? Está pedindo, Mattia, além da notícia?
Fez esse movimento de crown, né? Eu sei que eu me antecipei aqui, mas como eu disse, eu preferi fazer uma entrada de 1/3 aqui. Eu tenho mais 2 entradas nessa região, se ele subir contra. E se ele quebrar meu crown aqui, eu stop. Simples assim.
Geraldo is saying, I know I entered prematurely, but I have 2 more levels. If the market goes against me, and if I'm going to be stopped out, I'm going to be stopped out. Period, end of story. Melissa, what are you going to say to Geraldo?
Speculation?
Yes.
Ok. Mario, che cosa dici? What are you going to say to Geraldo?
Honestly, I am not at that level to say him something.
Ok. Mattia, what are you going to tell to Geraldo? Che você vai falar? O que você vai falar para o Geraldo, Mattia? How are you going to help Geraldo? Como é que você vai ajudar o Geraldo? Mattia, como que você vai ajudar o Heraldo, Mattia? How are you going to help Heraldo?
For you to draw a crown, you need to draw short-term trend, maybe. Is that it? Or
No, Mattia, it's Heraldo speculating. Heraldo speculando, sì o no, Mattia?
Okay, when I say speculating, Geraldo, is I'm not sure that it's not finished with its retracement.
Yes, Mattia says, okay, Heraldo, so how are you going to help Heraldo? Como que você vai ajudar o Heraldo? Everybody, listen up. Escuta aqui, ó, todo mundo.
I'm not sure.
I know, don't worry. That's on me. If I ask Heraldo, Heraldo, are you speculating? And Heraldo says yes, this is one way of helping him. Se eu peço para Heraldo, Heraldo, tu tá especulando? Heraldo fala sim. Isso é um jeito de ajudar o Heraldo. If I tell Heraldo, don't speculate, this is another way of helping Heraldo. Se eu falo para Heraldo, não especula, cara, isso é outro jeito de ajudar Heraldo. Does it make sense?
It makes sense, sir, but I know that we are all technical traders, and he's a technical trader, but he's still using fundamentals. So I guess that's why I'm...
Melissa, applause to Melissa, everybody. Applause for Melissa. Applause to Melissa. Mara, give me a second. Applause to Melissa. Now, if Heraldo loses on his trade, se Heraldo vai perder com esse trade, Melissa, you and Heraldo, you're fired on Monday. Na segunda-feira estão demitidos. Melissa está falando, Heraldo, que ela entende que você é um analista fundamental também e que você não está olhando só coisa técnica. Eu falei, se Heraldo perder nessa jogada, você, Melissa, que está dando... Está passando pau, está passando mãozinha no Heraldo, he's nice to Heraldo. Melissa, Heraldo, você na segunda-feira estão demitidos. Fair enough? Isso é justo para vocês dois? Or I'm a son of a bitch? Eu sou um filho da puta que estou demitindo vocês dois?
I can answer that question. I will be able to answer that question in the future when I really understand it.
If Heraldo loses, I'm going to ask him, why did you enter there? Se Heraldo perder, por que você entrou lá? I'm not going to ask Enrique. Enrique just started. Não vou pedir para Enrique. Enrique acabou de começar. So, back to the original question. You are not helping Heraldo. Heraldo, do you think you're speculating? Se não ajuda Heraldo falando, Heraldo, tu acha que está especulando? Heraldo diz, yeah, I am speculating. Everybody make sense? You need to tell yourself in the face. Vocês têm que se falar na cara. Você pode falar, na minha opinião, isso é errado, é urgente, você pode ser mais gentil com o cara, but tell the guys, this is wrong, this is not good. Fala pro cara, isso é errado, isso não está certo.
Okay.
Make sense, everybody? Yes.
Sorry, yeah. So can you tell basically for me to understand what is wrong in this trade, like that I would understand? Like why would you fire Melissa and Heraldo?
He would fire me. He would fire me for. He would fire me for the analysis. He would fire Geraldo for taking the trade.
I would fire Melissa because Melissa is Heraldo's manager and she didn't help Heraldo. Eu iria demitir Melissa porque Melissa é gerente do Heraldo e não do Heraldo. You are not taking care of each other. Vocês não estão ajudando um ao outro. Make sense, everybody? I'm not judging you. This is the retail trader. If you would be inside an office, you would be constantly helping each other. Don't do this, don't do that. Isso é o problema do trade de varejo. Se você estava dentro de um escritório, trancados, você iria se ajudar. Mas vocês não estão se ajudando. Ok? Now, to answer Matias' question, respondendo à pergunta do Matias, o Heraldo amplia lá o gráfico diário, faz favor. Make it bigger the daily chart.
Assim?
Yeah, para Matias ver as velas. For Matias to see the candles. Put also a counter trend line on the up extension, like coloca uma linha de tendência de contra na última retração. Não, na outra, na retração pequena.
Okay.
Yes, Mario, just give me a
Right.
second. I didn't forget about you.
Sorry.
Mario, write down the question if you want for not to forget. No? Okay. So Heraldo entered a 4-hour crown, right, Mattia?
Yes.
Okay. So is this entry okay for you?
There is no right or wrong. It's
Fair
There
enough.
is now.
No, wait. No. If Heraldo wins, I'm going to be quiet.
yeah.
Se Heraldo ganhar, fica quieto. We don't care.
Yeah.
But if Heraldo loses, mas Heraldo perder,
Yeah, it's you don't have confirmation, but at least you have bearish candle on the daily closed. And basically, what are you? He is shorting retracement because we just make higher high there. So it's basically a retracement on this up movement. But yeah, we don't have counter trend break on the daily or any other, but at least we have the bearish daily candle.
so what? You're going to lose $1 million because you have a freaking daily bearish candle. Se vai perder $1 million perché stai avendo una vela GR. Everybody, listen up.
Yeah.
Ascolta aqui, ó. Put yourself in a position of an owner of a business. Coloca a si mesmo no lugar de você é dono de negócio. And Heraldo is trading for you. And Heraldo está negociando para você. And Heraldo is trading third people money. Heraldo está negociando dinheiro que não é teu. And Heraldo is going to do this kind of trade. He's going to speculate. Heraldo fazer essa jogada, ele vai especular e vai perder dinheiro dos outros. And he's going to lose third people money. Mattia, there is no right or wrong on being the owner either. Não tem certo errado nem como dono do negócio. Mattia, if you don't fire Heraldo, I want to be your trader in your company, please. Se você não demite Heraldo, eu quero ser seu trader na sua empresa, cara.
No, I just also want to really be clear what are you pointing at, because
He's pointing at the timing. There is no trigger. There is
Then-
no time.
and what should Heraldo see right now to enter short trade on 4-hour chart?
Everybody, let's simplify. Some mistakes at your level are not acceptable anymore. Alguns erros no nível de vocês não são mais aceitáveis. Speculating on a freaking crown that it's not even there, or whatever, hard time frame controls small time frame. It's not acceptable for you. You need to wake up. Vocês têm que acordar que tem erros que não são mais aceitáveis para vocês. Not to Henrique. Henrique just started. Henrique acabou de começar, não para ele. Make sense? If you think that this is a retail trader issue, if you think, oh, it's just 0.5%, so what? You are not taking this business seriously enough. Se você está pensando, é só 0,5%, tanto faz, você não está levando esse negócio a sério. Come again?
And that's our weakness. What Boss is trying to say is that we're not sharing enough of our charts, and we're not criticizing enough of our colleagues.
Exactly.
Because we're not seeing their charts. And if we were in the office, if we were in an office at the bank, we would be seeing our neighbors' charts, and we'd say, "Hey, what'd you do that for?" Or, "Oh, okay, show me how you did that." But we don't have that. We have to create that by making phone calls to each other and sharing charts.
Exactly. Ma lì sta falando Heraldo che o problema nosso, trade de varejo, que a gente não trabalha junto, e se a gente trabalha no escritório, iria se juntar, conversar, trocar ideias, mas a gente não faz isso, a gente não se chama no celular, a gente não troca ideia, e nós deveríamos fazer isso.
Certo.
And in an office, Heraldo is not going to get fired, Melissa is going to get fired. No escritório, Heraldo não vai ser demitido, vai ser Melissa demitida. Why? What? But Heraldo could be in homeostasis. He's not stupid. Heraldo pode estar na homeostase, ele não é burro. but his manager, who is looking at him, who is outside his brain, can see what he's doing. Ma o gerente está fora do cérebro do Heraldo, ele consegue ver o que o Heraldo está fazendo. Does this make sense? Faz sentido isso? Okay? So, entering without convergences, entering with 3, 4, 5 bear points, Mattia, this is speculation. Entrando sem 3, 4 pontos de urso, isso é especulação. Low probability or no probability, this is speculation. Probabilidade baixa ou sem probabilidade, tudo isso é especulação. Make sense?
I think Mattia is asking for exactly what you would like to see, like a break of the trend line or a.
Yeah, because we are just talking on general always, not always right now.
We're not talking in general. Heraldo doesn't have anything that is telling you that this market is going to fall. This is not general talking. Não estamos falando em geral. Heraldo não tem nada no gráfico que fala que esse gráfico vai descer.
So you want confirmation that the retracement is ending.
Whatever, it's your strategy. I don't care. It's your strategy.
That I mean, okay, it's our strategy, but how our strategy make efficient not to make these kind of mistakes. What could we use to
if the daily chart would have a counter trend line break with the daily candle body closed on the other side of the trend line, would this be different than what we're seeing right now?
Yes.
Yes. Would this increase the probability?
Yes.
Yes. This is what I'm trying to tell you.
Can you repeat, please?
Para Mattia, se o gráfico diário iria ter uma vela fechada do outro lado da counter trend line no diário, se isso iria aumentar a probabilidade. Mattia falou que sim. Falei, isso que estou falando para vocês. Isso que quero ver. Make sense? No probability, it's not acceptable. Low probability, it's acceptable. High probability, even better, but no probability is not acceptable. Sem probabilidade não está aceitável. Probabilidade baixa já está aceitável. You know? Make sense? Questions, dúvidas?
Bom, então, assim, que nem...
Sorry, Mario. Desculpa, Mario, yes, I'm sorry. Mario.
Perhaps I didn't understand because I missed the...
You're mute, Mario.
You're mute.
Perhaps I missed the exact entry of Heraldo.
Heraldo,
Now you say...
Mostra o gráfico 4 horas como que entrou. Give it a second. He's going to show
Mario,
green.
he just now entered it.
What is the candle? You entered Heraldo.
He didn't enter with the candle. He just qual vela entrou, Heraldo? I'm sorry.
He entered right now.
At the market.
Você entrou agora mesmo, Heraldo?
Entrei um pouquinho mais cedo antes de começar a live aqui.
So she entered before the event started. Like 1 hour ago, 1 hora atrás.
Eu entrei no preço 98,58. Não, desculpa. 107,426.
He entered 107,400 something.
Quase 107,500 aqui praticamente.
I've been in and out of this trade too, Heraldo.
Come again, Melissa?
I've been in and out of this pair myself, but I'm out right now.
Everybody, can you see the chart on the 4-hour chart? Você podem ver o gráfico no 4 horas?
Yes.
Give it a second. Heraldo is going to post the vertical, the horizontal line. Okay, Mario?
This is the entry.
This is the entry. The market hit the red candle hit the upper band, whatever, you know. Okay. So Is Eraldo shorting a downtrend or an uptrend on the 4-hour chart? Là sta vendendo tendenze di alta o di baixa no 4 horas?
A retracement.
Answer the,
Up
question.
retracement.
Answer the question. Is the Eraldo shorting an uptrend or a downtrend?
You need to chart it to know.
Eraldo, coloca lá uma linha de tendência na retração. Não, não é essa, desde da baixa,
Ah,
aquela
de
que tá na
baixo.
tendência de alta, isso.
It's an uptrend.
Ok. Excellent, very good, muito bom. Ok. If Mario can understand that this is an uptrend, can you guys? Se o Mario entende que é uma tendência de alta, se podem vocês entender que é uma tendência de alta? Price action wise, can you see it?
Maybe I'm looking at the wrong chart.
Yes.
Yes. So, if you short right now, are you speculating? Se você vende agora, está especulando?
Sim.
Yes.
You are, yeah.
If you say no, then you must tell me what are the bear points. Se você falar que não, tem que me falar quais são os pontos do touro. What are the bear points? I'm always open for conversation. What are the bear points that the market is going to fall? Quais são os pontos do urso que o mercado vai descer? Is that simple? This is math. É tão fácil, isso é matemática. Ok? So, Mattia, what are you going to tell Eraldo to help him? O que você vai falar para o Eraldo para ajudar ele?
Yeah, my problem is that I see also short at this point, so I'm not relevant to help. I need to help myself.
Okay. Okay, so tell us, where do you see the short? Share your screen, go on the 4-hour chart. Mattia vai compartilhar o gráfico dele, Eraldo vai no 4 horas. Eraldo, escuta eu, não especula mais. Listen to me, don't speculate.
É que, não, ok, é que assim, eu acho que eu me encontrei mais, e eu tenho números, como um trader mais fundamental do que técnico. Eu olho a parte técnica também, mas, como eu disse, eu sei o que eu estou fazendo. Ok? Eu sei o que eu estou fazendo, eu sei quando...
A gente aceita. I told Eraldo, don't speculate, he said, don't worry, I know what I'm doing. He said, we accept. A gente aceita, na boa.
Ok.
Well, why I look here for, I believe that the market will go down more is...
I believe the market is going to go down too, but we're talking about entering right now. You are speculating, and you said, no, I see a short. Where is the short?
I'm saying, I'm trying to tell the bear points that I see that the market will go down.
So what's the bear point?
It's RSI divergence on these tops. That...
Everybody, please, indicators. Have mercy on me. Tenha piedade de mim, indicadores. You've been in system course. Se for no curso de sistema, the indicators are not moving the market. Os indicadores não estão mexendo o mercado. It's the other way around. Forget
I didn't say that they are moving. They are just indicate something. They can indicate something. I'm not saying that they are moving the market.
Fair enough, all good. What else?
We make this lower low here and also this strong sell candle here. And we are now retracing, making this retracement that indicates that we will go down now. This, I believe, it's not your approach, but
okay, everybody,
I cannot tell the difference.
Do we all agree that the market has crowned? Todo mundo concorda que tem um crown?
Sim.
Yes.
Okay, now between the 4-hour crown and the daily trend or daily whatever, who is stronger? entre 44 horas e coisa no dia. Quem é mais forte?
Daily.
Diário.
Okay.
Bem.
You understand this, right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say that the market broke the counter trend line on the 4-hour. Mattia, just chart something there. Vamos dizer que o mercado quebra o crown de 4 horas, coloca lá a quebra de tendência de contra. Ok? So would this be a better probability compared to I'm entering right now? Isso seria uma probabilidade maior com que eu entro já agora, vou já entrar agora?
Yes.
Yes, we all agree, we all understand this, yes? Todo mundo entende isso, ok?
Ok.
Now, sync this candle in layout and go on the daily. Agora, faz essa vela no layout e vai no diário.
It's not seen.
So
I guess
sync
you
in layout,
tried that.
sync in layout again,
Yeah,
maybe.
it's not visible like this.
Gotcha.
Or put a vertical line, even better, on the 4-hour candle. Like, you have a counter trend line break on the 4-hour, você tem quebra de tendência no 4 horas.
This is the level there. This is the candle. Here is close.
Okay, very good, excellent.
This is here right now.
All right, excellent, very good. Put a trend line there, exactly. Okay. Chart on the daily, lower low, lower high, lower low. Vai disegnando baixa mais baixa, alta mais baixa, yes. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. Okay, very good, excellent. So you have a confirmed crown on the 4-hour chart, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have a confirmed crown on the daily to go down?
No.
Você tem crown confirmado de... No, you don't have. Is the daily in an uptrend or downtrend?
First extension up.
Diária está subindo ou descendo? A gente falou que primeira extensão para cima, ok?
Certo.
Is the market below or above the uptrend line? O mercado está em cima ou para baixo do linha de tendência de alta?
Tá pra cima.
This trend line or this?
The black one, yes.
Above.
Above. Is your freaking 4-hour crown on past support? O teu crown de 4 horas não está na suporte passado?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you short the 4-hour chart and if you lose, why wouldn't I freaking fire you? Então, se você perde no 4 horas, por que eu não deveria te demitir? All of you together, todos os 4 juntos. Look at me, olha para mim.
Yes. We didn't
Yes,
check.
what?
the-
Dude, I would have never seen what you just did unless you just had him do it.
That's on you, guys. That's not on me. This is what I did. You ask Marcus. This is nothing special, guys. Você pede para Marcus, o Mike não fez nada de especial.
Well, today it just happens to be special to me.
No, it's not. No, it's not special. Não é especial. You know all of this shit. Vocês sabem toda essa salada já for years, anos.
But I sure appreciate this demonstration, Mattia. Thank you for the sacrifice.
This is nothing special. It's not especial. Heraldo, it's not going to be fired because Heraldo says, don't worry, boss, I know what I'm doing, and I pray to God, all right, I pray to God that you know. Heraldo não vai ser demitido porque Heraldo fala, não esquenta, eu sei o que estou fazendo. Eu falei, ok, legal, a gente está claro. Tomara que você saiba o que está fazendo, all good. I can accept this defense from Heraldo. Eu posso aceitar essa defesa do Heraldo, no problem. Porque I know he's conscious what he's doing, porque eu tô vendo que ele tá consciente sobre o que ele tá fazendo. I might not agree with Heraldo, I might not like as an office, but he told me, don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Eu posso não gostar daquilo que o Heraldo faz, eu não posso não concordar com aquilo que o Heraldo faz, mas o Heraldo fala, não esquenta, eu sei o que eu tô fazendo, e para mim é suficiente, it's all good. Make sense, everybody? But if Heraldo loses, mas Heraldo perder, it's going to be first warning, primeiro aviso. Make sense? Why? Why first warning? Because we don't care, porque a gente não liga o que você faz. A gente quer ver grana. Make sense, everybody? But you are not helping Heraldo, or Mattia, or Mario, or Melissa staying quiet. You are speculating. Don't speculate. Mas você não vai ajudar o Heraldo e Mattia e a Melissa e o Mário se você não falar. Se está especulando, o cara não especula. Make sense? Oh, but I'm reading the Bible and I have the crystal ball. I understand it's not good anyway. Você fala, mas tô lendo a Bíblia, tem bola de cristal. Eu sei, eu entendo, mas mesmo assim não é bom você especular. Make sense? Tell each other. Fale para outras pessoas. Fale para um para outro. Não fique quieto. Make sense? We are not debating strategy. Não estamos conversando estratégia aqui, ó. Ok? So, not just Mattia, all of you, não é só Mattia, todo mundo. Are you clear why you are fired? Você está claro porque você está demitido? Are you clear why this is a fully speculative trade? Você entende porque é um trade especulativo?
Because you have more arguments that this will go up than go down.
You have no argument on the daily that this is go down. Zero probability. Você não tem argumento nenhum que o diário que vai descer. Zero probabilidade.
One, bearish candle.
Not at the uptrend line. Zero. Bearish candle at the uptrend line have zero force. Vela de urso na tendência de alta, perto da tendência de alta tem zero força. Força zero. And if you want to join past support, it's like even probability it's negative, it's totally against you. E se você vê o suporte passado, a probabilidade está contra você, está no negativo a probabilidade. This is why you're speculating. Isso por isso que você está especulando. Make sense, everybody? Faz sentido isso? And the same goes monthly with the weekly, weekly with the daily, daily with the 1 hour, 2 hour. Mesma coisa vai, mesma lógica do mensal para semanal, semanal para o diário, diário para 1, 2, 3, 4 horas. Make sense? If Heraldo wins, you are the man. If Heraldo loses, first warning. Se Heraldo ganhar, Heraldo para mim é o cara. Se Heraldo perder, primeiro aviso. Make sense? And Heraldo, it's adult enough to say, okay, all good. We don't need to talk even. Heraldo é um cara já de experiência. Ele não vai nem conversar, falar, ok, recebido, tranquilo. Não tem conversa aqui no meio. Make sense, everybody? All good? Tranquilo?
Yeah.
All right, let's move forward. Moving forward. Vamos em frente. Obrigado, Heraldo. Obrigado, Mattia. Thank you, Heraldo. Thank you, Mattia. As a matter of fact, thank you for all of you. Obrigado para todo mundo. CHF, JPY, am I sharing? Estou compartilhando?
Yes.
Okay, so give me a second. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, segunda, terça, quarta, went up, stalling in here. You know, did anybody take advantage of CHF, JPY? Alguém negociou CHF, JPY?
No.
Não.
Ok. Is it clear for next week? All good? Tranquilo para a semana que vem?
Short.
Whatever. If you have a plan, that's all right. Okay. Now, Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Everybody, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete. Euro AUD. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 3 days was down. Today it's Thursday. It's going up so far. All good in here. Tranquilo aqui, ó. 3 dias estava descendo. Hoje está subindo. All good?
Ok.
Ok. Any question for next week? Alguma dúvida para a semana que vem? All good? Tranquilo?
All good.
All right. Eurocat, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it was up and down, tava subindo, descendo. So now today it's kind of moving up. Hoje mesmo tá subindo, desceu, subiu, desceu, subiu, agora tá subindo. Any questions for next week? Alguma dúvida para a semana que vem? All good?
Okay.
Right. Euro CHF. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, segunda, terça, quarta, quinta. Let me look in your beautiful eyes. Deixa lá para os seus olhinhos. Did anybody trade Euro CHF? Alguém negociou Euro CHF?
Yes.
Eu não.
Yes.
Heraldo, no? Yes. I'm not going to yell at you. Não vou
Yes.
gritar com vocês, então. Ok? Mario says yes. Mattia, yes. Melissa?
I'm in.
Melissa says, I'm in. All right, everybody. Are you making any money? Estão fazendo alguma grana?
I
No.
did have. No.
I am at break even now.
Okay, it's Mario break-even. Mattia?
I did have small loser.
Small
Right
loser.
now, I'm not in the market.
Not in the market. Okay, show share screen. Tell us, show us the loser.
Oh, yes, just a second. This was a trade.
Okay.
I enter here just because it's office best trade of the week. Then I exit here and I didn't re-enter. So, and I also didn't have any plan how to do it, where to do it. And,
Okay, so you need to get better, everybody. Applause to Mattia for sharing and being honest. You need to get better. Vocês têm que melhorar isso, okay? So the direction was from the office, everybody. The stop loss, it's on you. You see my stop loss, okay? I told you I don't care how, okay? Having a loser, it's not an issue. Everybody, you should have re-entered, right? Você deve ter entrado, todo mundo, sim. Okay? Okay, everybody? So if you have, this is not one day in 1 week, isso não é para uma semana e tudo. If you have bullish candle on the daily, se você tem vela de touro, and you lose constantly. I'm not talking about Mattia, I'm talking in general, não estou falando de Mattia em geral, mas você constantemente está perdendo, then this is strategy, it's the issue. O problema é estratégia. So partner up, talk to each other. Make sense? Conversa com os outros. Okay, everybody? Because put yourself in my position, put yourself in an owner position, coloca você no lugar do dono. You as an owner, you're seeing bullish candle daily, bullish. Você como dono está vendo vela touro. You as an owner instructed your traders, você como dono você falou para os traders de ganhar dinheiro, and some traders made money, but some lost. Alguns traders fizeram dinheiro, outros perderam. What are you going to tell? How are you going to approach the losing trader? Como que você vai abordar o trader perdedor? Share some ideas. There is no right or wrong. But I want you to understand where do I come from talking to you. Estou fazendo isso para você entender de onde eu estou aqui falando desse jeito com vocês. Mattia, you have Heraldo and Mario. Mario made some money and Heraldo did not enter. How are you going to talk to Heraldo? Mattia is an owner.
Mario, Mario make money or?
Mario made money, Heraldo did not enter. Mario fez dinheiro, Heraldo não entrou.
Heraldo, why didn't you enter?
Heraldo, por que você não entrou? È un gioco, tranquillo, non precisa essere serio, è un gioco, Heraldo. You're mute, você tá mudo.
Tô mudo.
É um jogo.
Não, então, eu não gostei do ponto onde ele estava no meio da consolidação para entrar.
Wow, wow. Listen to this, everybody. Mattia, now it's on you. Heraldo says, boss, you are the boss, Mattia. Heraldo says, I didn't like it that it was in the middle of consolidation.
I didn't ask you to like it. I give you a pair and we have 4 days bullish candle.
Heraldo, eu não pedi para
get
você
better.
para gostar, eu pedi para você comprar, fazer grana e temos 4 dias de mercado subindo.
De fato.
Heraldo says, yeah, it's a fact, boss. Mattia, the ball.
Yeah, just try to go through emotional journal, find what was blocking you and try to get better.
Good one. Aplauso para Mattia. Boa. Volta para o seu jornal emocional. Mattia, tá gente boa. Volta para o seu jornal emocional e tenta identificar qual bloqueio emocional, se alguma coisa emocional estava te bloqueando para não ter entrado. É uma boa, né, Heraldo? Good answer. Aplauso to Mattia. It's a good one. Okay, everybody, do you understand what we're talking about? Estão entendendo o que nós estamos conversando? How the office works? How you work as an institutional trader? Como que o escritório funciona? Como que funciona o trading institucional? Like Mattia said best, I didn't ask you to like it. Mattia was angry with Heraldo. Mattia estava bravo com Heraldo. Não pedi para você gostar. You know? Okay? So if you are less gentle, if you don't have time, you know, Mattia is a billionaire and he's going to say to Heraldo, first warning. Example. Né? Se Mattia era um bilionário e não tem tempo para conversar, falar primeiro aviso, cara, não tem tempo para agora. Make sense, everybody? I mean, there is no right or wrong anyway. Não tem certo ou errado de qualquer jeito. Ok? Make sense, everybody? Faz sentido? Mattia, do you understand? Did anything click in your head, like, where do I come from talking to you guys as the office?
Yeah.
Pedi para Mattia, se ligou a luzinha da onde eu tô, quando tô conversando com você, falou, sim, faz mais sentido.
The only thing it's different that maybe we don't know the solution or we forgot the solution or how to do it or something like or I don't know even how to say.
Fair enough. That's why we're here. All of you are struggling. Applause to you. Applause para Mattia. Isso, todos vocês estão lutando por uma coisa. Sure. But it doesn't change the fact, everybody, that Mario made some money, Heraldo did not enter. Fair enough? Non muda o fatto che Mario entrò e Heraldo non entrò. Ok? One more time, who wants to have a roleplay? Quem quer jogar esse roleplay mais uma vez? Mario, do you want to be onorevole? Vuoi essere il capo? Yes, ok. Cazzo, certo. Vabbè. Ok, Mario, so you have Mattia and Heraldo. No, Heraldo, you have Mattia and Melissa. Mattia made money on Euro CHF. Melissa lost money. How are you going to talk to Melissa? And you are the boss, you're the owner, Mario. O Mattia ganhou grana e Melissa perdeu dinheiro no Euro CHF. Como que você vai abordar, Melissa?
Well, Melissa, please, can you share me your chart and explain me what happened? Because we have Mattia, the other trader. I told him to make money with Euro CHF, he did. And why? I'd like to understand why you lose money.
Applause to Mario, good one, too. Mostra para mim o que você fez, Melissa, e depois porque Mattia fez dinheiro e você... So, Mario, let's say that Melissa just explained to the chart we're looking at. How are you going to talk to Melissa? Vamos dizer que Melissa te acabou de explicar o gráfico que estamos vendo agora. Como que você vai abordar a Melissa?
What does she say? She gave the same answer of Mattia.
Yes, correct. Same answer.
So she didn't enter because at the middle of the consolidation.
No, that was Heraldo. So Mattia entered on the 1 hour chart. He put the stop loss where it put. He was stopped out and then he did not re-enter.
Why did you not re-enter?
Melissa,
What
why
are
didn't you
the technical reasons?
Melissa is not Mattia made money. Melissa, why didn't you re-enter?
I'm going to assume I'm going to say something, and I'm going to assume it's not going to be in this chart, but I'm going to answer the question, which is I do in my trade plan, I don't typically trade counter trend, retracements as an example.
Mario, what are you going to do?
Yes, but I told you to make money on this currency pair.
Uau, aplauso Mario. Sim, mas eu falei para você fazer grana, cara. Você não precisa gostar da retração.
True, boss, but you didn't tell me what direction I had to go in, and I was waiting for the retracement to finish before I put in a buy.
Whoa, now he's blaming you. Agora tá inculpando ele.
I didn't understand. Can you translate, please? What Melissa said?
I spoke too quickly. I said, "This is true, boss," but you didn't say what direction I needed to make the money in.
Yes,
So,
I told you.
No, you said make money. And
Make money on long positions.
And I was waiting for the retracement to finish, not looking at this chart. I was waiting for the retracement to finish before I got in.
Okay.
But I accused you earlier of not telling me what direction, just telling me to make money.
Okay. So it's my bad. Sorry.
Mario, let me help you.
Mhm.
Tell her that 20 traders understood the direction. How it's possible that she's the only one that she didn't understand the direction? Tell her.
I have to answer to you.
To her.
To her. So what is your answer, Melissa?
No,
Perhaps you didn't.
Okay, no,
Melissa-
I got an answer. I missed the memo.
Okay. So for me, if you didn't understand the direction, this one it's okay. It's not first warning, because it's a mistake, but it's not a bad mistake.
Heraldo, já vou com você.
Tá.
Você vai 15 segundos, você consegue?
Consigo, rapidinho.
Now I am the owner. Mario is my manager. Mario, why Melissa lost the trade?
Because Melissa didn't understand that she had to go long on this currency pair.
How it's possible that 20 traders understood to go long and she didn't?
It was a mistake. It was not attentive. That's all.
Mario, listen to me. We are in a company. How it's possible that 20 traders in the same room understood the direction and she didn't?
I don't know.
What do you think?
She was not attentive.
Okay, now or you get fired or she get fired, because we are here to make money.
Okay, Melissa, I answered this way. Melissa never did this kind of mistakes, never had his first warning. For me, she's not fired.
Okay, so give her a first warning.
I cannot.
Then you're fired.
Because
Then you are fired.
I cannot, because she never did this kind of errors.
Some errors, everybody try to understand this as a business owner. I'm not joking, non sto brincando, tenta entender isso. Some errors are not acceptable. Alguns erros não são aceitáveis. Not paying attention in a meeting, like best rate, it's not acceptable. What are you doing here? Make sense? Não prestando atenção numa reunião sobre a direção, não é aceitável. O que você está fazendo aqui, cara? At the minimum, first warning, primeiro aviso. This is not a joke. Isso não é brincadeira. You are managing third people money, está negociando dinheiro dos terceiros. Make sense, everybody? First warning is nothing special. Primeiro aviso não é nada especial, but it's still a warning. Ainda é um aviso. If you don't give the first warning to me, it's going to, oh, so what, you know, the euros, it's not my money anyway. Se você não coloca primeiro aviso, ela vai pensar, tanto faz, a grana não é minha, tanto faz se eu perdi minha porcento. Yes, Heraldo?
Então, sobre o euro CHF, meu entendimento é o seguinte. Acho que eu não estou compartilhando. Deixa eu compartilhar meu gráfico.
Heraldo is going to explain about Euro CHF. He's going to share his charts.
Um segundinho, que o meu mouse estou aqui. Ok? Estou compartilhando?
Yes.
Para mim, ó, euro CHF, todo mundo concorda que está numa consolidação?
Everybody agrees it's in consolidation?
Yes.
Daily chart?
Yes.
A lógica não é ele daqui vir aqui?
The logic isn't from the up band to go to the down band? Yes, todo mundo fala assim?
Então, por isso que eu achei que essa compra aqui, seria aqui, né, na segunda-feira, não era interessante.
That's why I was thinking that this buy, it's not, was not.
Eu quero comprar, mas nessa região. Ou ele quebrando aqui
I
para
want
cima.
to buy, but going down.
I would never do this trade. I agree with Heraldo. I would never do this trade. But here we are playing an institutional game. And the boss said, this week I want you to make money with Euro CHF.
Aplauso Mario. Mario falou que ele sozinho nunca iria negociar do jeito que eu pedi o escritório. Ele concorda com você, mas nós estamos aqui para aprender o jeito institucional. Onde a gente não deve pensar e tem que fazer e obedecer. Okay?
Nesse sentido, ok.
There is no right or wrong, não tem certo e errado. Né? Ok, everybody, all good? So let's finish for now. See you back. Vamos terminar para hoje. See you weekly plan on Sunday morning. O plano semanal vai ser domingo de manhã. 9 a.m. Brazilian time, if you want, not mandatory, 9 de manhã, horário do Brasil, se quiser, ok? And otherwise, see you back on Monday morning, senão a gente se vê na segunda de manhã, Virtual Office. For the Brazilian Portuguese speaking, para o brasileiro que fala português, Saturday morning we have the index course, just in Portuguese. Sábado de manhã temos o curso de índice em português. Ok? Heraldo, você quer vir participar e tudo mais, Henrique também, if you want to join. And tonight we have class with Henrique. Hoje de noite temos a aula com Henrique. Ok? So this is our last session this week, this morning. Ok? So back on Monday in the office. Essa última sessão de manhã. Ok? A gente vai se ver no domingo, na segunda, alright?
Will you be recording on Sunday?
Sure. No domingo vai ser também gravado. Ok?
Ok.
Thank you very much. See you next time. Valeu, obrigado. Até a próxima.
Bye-bye.
Great job. Bye.